With Bitcoin well above $50,000 per coin, you might be saying, how in the world can I get my hands on some Bitcoin? How can I do that without dropping $50,000? And the idea is mining Bitcoin. But mining Bitcoin is extremely expensive. Mining Bitcoin requires a lot of equipment, and trust me, because I've actually mined cryptocurrency before. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that experience in this video, but there is now an alternative. A brand new solution to mining Bitcoin using Ethereum tokens, specifically Bitcoin Minetrix. Not only can you see capital appreciation and massive potential for capital gains by buying the Bitcoin Minetrix token, you can also earn passive income by mining Bitcoin, which should theoretically continue to go up in price astronomically as the years come. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we have Bitcoin Minetrix pulled up on the screen right now, and they make it, they could not do it any simpler. They make it extremely easy to buy. Now, if you're interested in this, or if you're interested in simply following along, make sure to use the link in the description. It is going to pull up this page. And if you're interested in partaking in this pre-sale here, it is as simple as this. You simply go out, click connect your wallet. Now, it's going to pull up this page right here. You can connect a MetaMask, a Coinbase, or your other wallet. Or if you don't have a wallet, they can help you make one. Simply, connect it. Once you do, I'm not going to connect it so you guys don't see it all and everything right there. But once you do that, you're going to decide whether or not you want to buy with Ethereum, USD Tether, or of course your bank card. Now, once you make that decision, let's say you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin Minetrix. You simply type in 100, and at the current price of 1.36 cents, you're going to be getting 7,352 Minetrix. Now, if you act soon, the quicker you act, the better price you're going to get. You guys can go through and scroll back and scrub through those older videos I did. You would already be at a more beneficial price if you would have gotten in back then. Clearly, Bitcoin Minetrix is gaining a lot of attention, and it's getting a lot of people on board. Look at this pre-sale so far. $11,338,774 have been raised out of this current stage of $12.178 million. Guys, this is not some small project. This is not some small, 10 Ethereum raise, and we're going to go out there and see what we can make happen. These guys are raising tens of millions of dollars to build an actual business, an actual mining business that you can earn passive income off of, and you're going to see how in a second here. Now, I do want to point out that if you're interested in getting in at these current levels, you're going to need to do so in the next 1 day and 12 hours, or you're going to see the price go up. Now, of course, it's not going to jump up by double, triple, or anything like that, so you're still going to be able to get in at a reasonable rate. Well, right now it's cheaper. So, if you make the decision the next hour and 12 or day in 12 hours, you're going to be doing better than if you make the decision afterwards. Now, you might be saying, why Bitcoin Minetrix? And I'm going to come through and I'm going to show you some of the benefits, what it is in a second here. But I want to point something out, okay? I have mined cryptocurrency in the past. I mined cryptocurrency in my basement. I mined cryptocurrency in my bedroom. And I'm going to tell you right now, the basement was better than the bedroom because the basement was cooler. This bedroom stayed at a constant 100-degree temperature, and I was only running 3 crypto miners at the time. And they weren't even Bitcoin miners. They were GPU rigs. You can't mine Bitcoin with GPUs at this point. So not only are they extremely hot to run actual hardware, it's expensive to get in the first place. Look at these Bitcoin miner prices right here. $2,000, $21,000, $4,000, $2,000. This one is this ant miner. I'm not going to pull up the statistics on it, but I can guarantee you this does not mine any Bitcoin anymore. Whatever you're buying here at Walmart certainly is not going to buy you any Bitcoin or mine you any Bitcoin. $1,500 for this ant miner right here. And guys, most of these are probably outdated. And at this point of the game, won't even get you enough Bitcoin mined to cover the cost of this equipment. You've got to basically get it the day that it comes out, run it, and then hopefully be able to sell those cryptocurrency miners the moment something new, faster, and more efficient comes out. But these Bitcoin miners, not only are they extremely hot, they're extremely loud as well. You definitely have to keep that in mind. So what is the solution? The Bitcoin Minetrix solution, right? So Bitcoin Minetrix is a tokenized cloud mining platform that allows everyday people to mine Bitcoin in a decentralized way. We're tokenizing cloud mining to ensure a secure and transparent experience. So when I was mining cryptocurrency, I looked into cloud mining a lot. Why? Because you don't need to buy the equipment. You don't need to house the equipment. You don't need to pay the ridiculous electricity bills. You don't need to do any of that. You simply send some money in, and they send you the passive income back. Almost like an annuity, right? You signed a 6-month contract, a 1-year contract or whatever, and maybe you paid $1,000, and you hope to get $1,100 back in Bitcoin mined if you're doing that cloud mining service. Now, I never did that, but it does turn out that a lot of those are scams, and a lot of those never pay out more than you pay in. It says the Bitcoin Minetrix solution presents a reliable cloud mining platform for everyday crypto users that aims to fix the problem of high hardware costs and deceptive scams that have deterred people from Bitcoin mining. And it is, both of those are absolutely true. You know, it's not easy unless you've got like a 100% solar farm and you know, very cool environment. It's very difficult to mine Bitcoin these days. It's not like you could used to turn on a laptop and walk away with a Bitcoin a day or anything like that. The game has definitely changed. So the idea is this stake to mine Bitcoin. The stake to mine concept is a novel idea that promises to bring Bitcoin mining back into the realm of possibility for ordinary crypto aficionados for several reasons. And I'm not going to read through each one of these pros and cons right here, but here's the simple solution, right? You buy a token, you stake that token, they mine essentially like a cloud mining platform, and then you are paid out in Bitcoin passive income for staking your token. Now, one of the benefits is if you sign a contract with a cloud mining platform, you cannot get out of that contract. If you stake your BTC Minetrix or your Bitcoin Minetrix at any time, you can unstake, sell that token for a capital gain or a capital loss, whatever it is trading at the moment, and then that person can get in and they can begin to earn Bitcoin rewards. So what does that look like? You know, if Bitcoin all of a sudden dumps down to $20,000 per coin again, clearly less people may be interested in Bitcoin Minetrix. Therefore, the token value may drop down, and you're going to have to decide whether or not you want to continue mining Bitcoin at those levels by staking, or if you want to simply sell your token. But you have that liquidity option, and that is so much more important than being stuck into a contract or literally sitting there with mining equipment that you dropped $20,000 on. Your bedroom's 105 degrees, 24 hours a day. You got to keep the windows open all winter long. And yes, I am speaking from experience. So it is much more liquid to get involved with this novel idea of tokenized staking and tokenized mining to end up acquiring Bitcoin. So you guys can read through all of these benefits right here and so on, but I want to talk about how it works, right? Once the drop happens and once this is live, you're going to be able to stake to mine. And right now, the estimated rewards are 60% passive income on an annual basis that you are going to be earning. Now, I will tell you, the more people that get involved and the more people that stake, essentially the longer you wait, this number is going to go down. It is a dynamic rate reward right here that you can see, meaning that number is going to change from 60% the more people that get on board and the more people that get interested. So if you're interested in that staking and earning more BTC Minetrix, you're going to want to get in as early as possible. I mean, it just is it's the way that it is with all of these staking options here. The earlier you get in, the better reward and the better rate that you are going to get. Now, if you're interested in simply buying the Bitcoin Minetrix, but you're not really interested in staking, or you're not really interested in earning passive income, let's take a look at the price predictions really quick. Because right now you're getting one Bitcoin Minetrix, or BTCMTX, for 1.36 cents. Now, some of the price predictions out there are very, very beneficial, but they're a couple years down the road. End of 2024, they expect the price to be between 3.5 cents and 5 cents per token. Where are we now? 1.36 cents during this pre-sale. Now, of course, I don't know what the volatility is going to look like, and I don't know what Bitcoin is going to look like. But if the end of 2024, Bitcoin is higher than it currently is, I would expect Bitcoin Minetrix to be doing very well because people are going to want to earn Bitcoin. End of 2025, you're talking lows of 9 cents and highs of 12 cents on these price predictions. And then, of course, this low right here, volatility increases at the upside and the downside. For 2030, they're expecting anywhere from the current price all the way up to 18 cents per token. Now, the capital gains alone could potentially take you to 10x levels. But do not forget that you're going to be earning passive income by holding and staking the Bitcoin Minetrix. And if you're earning Bitcoin as well, it is going to create over a 10x value because your Bitcoin should continue to increase in value as well. Guys, if the ETF continues to bring in institutional inflows, if Bitcoin continues to soar over the next 5, 10, 20 years, Bitcoin Minetrix could provide a solution that does away with those loud, crazy hot Bitcoin mining equipment and does away with all of these locked-in contracts that you need to sign in order to cloud mine. Bitcoin Minetrix and tokenized mining, if it's for you, simply give it a, test it out, right? Click the link in the description below, pull up this website, read everything that you can, check out their social media profiles. These guys are very active and they have a decent amount of followers as well. 22.1 thousand followers and their engagement is good. 6,000 impressions, 1,000 impressions, 1.5 thousand impressions, 1.8. It seems organic, which is what you want to see. If they had 22,000 followers up here, and all of a sudden, you scroll down and you see a bunch of scam comments or bot comments, and they're doing 50,000, 80,000, 90,000 impressions per tweet, I mean, it would raise some red flags, at least for me. So I want to know what you guys think about Bitcoin Minetrix down in the comments below if you're interested in it, and if you're interested in earning passive income in Bitcoin for the years to come. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.